Hello, beautiful people. It's your girl Shani here from Shani's Natural Beauty Salon, and I am located in Brooklyn, New York. So I'm bringing to you today this partial quick weave. As you could see, only the very little back portion of her hair is left out, and we wanted to make sure that it is blended to perfection. So right here, I'm going in with my razor comb. Bam, 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 making sure that we blend everything. And if you hear all this noise in the background, I am outside. I am chilling, and this is the only time I'm going to be doing this voiceover because I've had this video for a while, like I have a lot of other videos, and it's just not working out. These voiceovers, who want to do my voiceovers for me? Because I promise you I could get more content out faster if I could get somebody to do these edits, these voiceovers and everything, like for real, for real. Anyway, as you can see, I'm going in with my razor comb and I'm doing more blending. I'm point cutting with my shears. It's all about blending, making sure you have no lines of demarcation. You minimize as much line as possible, especially when you're working with hair extensions. Any sharp line could just spoil the whole do, right? Plus, once you're not curling, you're not making any curls and stuff like that, you can't camouflage this ill cut. You have to make sure that you cut this properly. So once it's straight, it's laying where it needs to lay. I put the mousse, I use the Dew Poppin' foaming mousse to do my mold. Here I'm going in with my Baby Bliss liners to just clean up her edges, making it as natural and as seamless as possible, sharpening my little lines, going in with my blend, acting like I'm a barber. Yeah, I really look how, like, now that it's flat, it's not flat ironed or anything, it's just laying from the mold. It flows perfectly. The cut is just doing what it's supposed to do. So in case she needs to do this at home, this is how it would look once she molded. I went in with my Chateau flat irons, and this you could purchase off the website Shani'sNaturalBeauty.com to purchase your flat irons. Now, the finale, the comb out. I'm using my white tooth comb. You could get any of these style combs in your local beauty supply store, Amazon, wherever you buy your beauty products. You could buy a style comb anywhere. It's not the comb that's doing the do. It's the actual cut. It's the curl. It's everything. And overall, this look flawless. I really do love this look on her. I'm going in and I'm seasoning it, putting in a little holding spray. But to me, this style complements her so well. I really love this look on her. Until next time, bye.